Dear Amazon sellers, today in this video, I will show you how to get catalog authorization and how to apply for GTIN exemption. This is for you if you are launching your business on Amazon. If you already have established brand on Amazon, then this video is not for you because it is for the sellers who are just starting or they are selling in generic. Because if you are listing your products as generic, you are not able to secure your rights, and even in future someone can steal your listings. In this video, I will show you how to get catalog authorization. Even if you didn't have any trademark registry, you can list your products with your brand name. Let's proceed. So I'm showing you here a generic listing, like this seller is selling in without any brand name in generic, like brand is generic. So if you are selling like this, you should avoid this because Chinese sellers or many other sellers can steal, the hijackers can steal your sales and steal your listings as well. And if your brand don't have any UPC code, any brand like a product ID, you can still list your product on Amazon. For this, you need GTIN exemption. So let's move. First of all, go to menu bar and start listing your product, add a product. And then you will have this kind of dashboard. Here you need to add title, choose category, and then add your brand name. Whatever it is registered or not, add it. And I added slipsware. And then we don't have any product ID. Even this seller didn't have any like packaging, or sometimes sellers do have their packaging, but they don't have any trademark registry. So actually they have a trading name. So Slipsware is a trading name for my client. I'm listing their product. When we submit this, Amazon will ask some kind of documents we will provide. Like this, we didn't have any box. Then what we did, we printed a box. We built a box. Here I have a sample as well, like this. So I made this box for my client, and this is exactly showing the brand name in mirror effect. And now what we will do, we will apply for catalog authorization. Here you can see brand name approval required. So for brand name approval, we need only one image which is clearly showing the brand name. And for GTIN exemption, we need 6 side images. Like this is a box. What Amazon want to have idea that this box didn't have any product ID. It shouldn't have any UPC from any other brand. So then we can get GTN exemption. Let's proceed. We need to click on apply to sell, and then we need to upload the product images. I already made product images. Here we need to check mark all the things. Then we need to upload the images. We designed the images here and we are uploading. That's it. I uploaded all the images, and then we need to add an email. I'm adding an email. Okay, I just added the email and we need to submit. That's it. Within 72 hours, Amazon team will review and approve or decline our application. I will show you how to check the status of your application. We just submitted, and now okay, the application is under review and we are expecting the decision within 5 days. But Amazon team can provide you the review within even couple of hours. Mostly we got catalog authorization within 4 to 5 hours. You need to go to catalog, view selling applications, and on this page you will see catalog authorization application. We just applied for this, so it is under review and it will be approved within next couple of days. That's it, guys. Now you are able to list your products with your brand name without having trademark registry, and this is very useful for future as well. Like in future you go for trademark registry and now you want to get all the brand registry rights. So you want to build your store, you want to connect your products with your Amazon store and with your brand name. That is the option where you can transform your listings smoothly to your brand registry. That's it. If you have any questions about brand registry, Amazon sales, or catalog troubleshooting, you can contact me and I will assist you to get you out this shit and grow your brand with swift speed.